We felt it was Swedish hands or at Swedish feet.
The biggest competition in the world now being rocked the world. Our eyes only focus to Brazil. Many world players got competition there. The attention given not only in Brazil but also in many places in the world. There is Aceh, Indonesia. Talking about football, we also always remember about 19 tsunami survivor in Aceh. He is Martunis. Martunis is 19 years old now and passionate about football. He's like a million teenagers his age right across the world. But Martunis' lively enthusiasm for his passion club conceals tragedy. Nearly all his teammates in the little province of Aceh Besar were killed in the Great Asian Tsunami. A few weeks after the wave hit, Portugal's FIFA World Cup winning Brazilian coach Luis Felipe Scolari saw a searing news report by Sky TV journalists. The news story focused on a 7-year-old Achenese boy called Martunis, who had endured 19 days alone after he was swept a mile from his home by the flood waters. For nearly 3 weeks, the lad survived by eating berries and dried noodles and drinking from rain puddles. Throughout his horrific ordeal, he wore a 10-numbered Portuguese football jersey.
Saya Martunis sejak kecil dan sampai sekarang saya sudah mencintai Portugal. Saya mengidolakan Cristiano Ronaldo sebagai pemain idola saya. Saya menjadi pemain sepak bola profesional seperti Ronaldo dan saya ingin bermain di Portugal. Sejak mulainya Piala Dunia saya selalu memakai baju Portugal untuk memberikan semangat terhadap Ronaldo dan pemain timnas Portugal. Dan saya berharap semoga mereka menjuarai Piala Dunia. Inilah momentum 100 tahun Federasi Sepak Bola Portugal, Forca Portugal.
When Martunis was rescued, he was covered in mosquitoes' bite and badly emaciated. And that wasn't the end of his anguish. When the TV crew took him home, Martunis discovered that he had lost his mother and brothers to the waves. Touched by this poignant tragedy and the reference to Portuguese football, Scolari had little Martunis and his bereaved father Sarbini flown over to Europe to watch some World Cup fixtures. Through the Scolari connection, Martunis himself has met the biggest name in professional football. With a sparkle in his eyes, the boy recalls the day he sat next to Rui Costa and the visit he received from Cristiano Ronaldo, the famous Portugal and Manchester United striker who stopped off in Banda Aceh on his way to join United's Far East Tour 6 months after the tsunami struck. This was especially rewarding for Martunis, as like so many in Asia, he is a huge Man U fan.
Let's go! Crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun.
But the wounds are slowly but surely healing. As the loving footballers of club Carlos kick a ball across their new pitch, with the sun setting over the green palm trees beyond, it is possible to believe that the beautiful games has played a small but important part in that convalescence. Until now, CR7 for Martunis is his passion. In the future, Martunis has a dream be a great football player like CR7. Martunis ranging from kid until now always pray for the success of national team of Portugal and Ronaldo especially until today.
Yeah, get together. Don't let the pictures leave your phone. Let's go! Crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we
Now, this time coincide with the centenary of Portugal Football Federation. Martunis always send his best prayer for Cristiano Ronaldo and Portugal. So, hopefully the team be a best team at World Cup 2014.
Saya pikir kalau Martunis kita tempat terus, saya pikir dia menjadi pemain yang bagus. Kita lihat fondasinya, dasar bermain bola udah bagus. Tinggal kita mengasahnya tentang masalah posisi, kemudian wawasan sedikit. Saya pikir ke depan bisa menjadi pemain yang kita harapkan.
Saya berharap dia betul-betul memanfaatkan momentum ini untuk betul-betul menjadi pemain bola profesional.